Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Before explaining the concept of Tesla timing, let me explain you. You all must be familiar with the market profile as well as the volume profile. The tool is available in the trading view. If I apply this one, volume profile, you know this. You apply, this is the point of control and the value area high and volume has been concentrated over here. But in live market, the problem is what happened to the thing. You cannot make out where the energy is building. Of course, time has been spent without anything. You just try to enter into the market like this, market moves. All of a sudden, it comes down and the prevailing previous trend was downside, right? This was the downside. After the downside, it is the roller coaster ride. The energy starts building in the opening bell of every day. Every day the same thing happens. You just see every day it happens, same thing. And even if we apply market profile, the time price opportunity, actually most of the price will be spent throughout the day. You can see here up to 12:25, the price is spending its time around this area, right? So we will not be knowing, we will think it is a range. We will not be knowing which side the range is building there. And interesting thing is, everybody asked me, can TPO can be compared with the Tesla time? So I created the Tesla time. The reason for this, I wanted to know. And even the Nalini Precision Engine also I created. When I apply the Nalini Precision Engine, let me apply the Nalini Precision Engine. Just look at it. Look at it from the previous day. Let me remove the drawings here. From the previous day, this is the rolling pivot. And the price halted over here. You can see the price going sideways and in this roller coaster, right? Even the balance is up here. After the gap down, it is up. It is building balance. You enter thinking that you are entering into the market. It all of a sudden it comes down, and again it pops up. This behavior will happen when the big money starts accumulating the price. We will not be accumulating. Sometimes it will accumulate to go down or it accumulates to go up. This is the question. Always it becomes a question. Then what I did is Tesla time. Tesla time and the if I invent the interesting thing is when I studied them deeply, I found something interesting. Imagine a pressure cooker on a stove. The flame is on. The steam is building. Here, it is like a pressure cooker. Flame is on, pressure is building, but we do not know which side the whistle will blow and which side the energy will be released. So when pressure starts increasing inside the cooker, but nothing dramatic is happening yet. This is exactly what TPO shows us. TPO means if I apply the volume profile, I am not going to apply anything. This is time like at a volume profile. Volume is building over here, right? You will be in, this is like a cooker developing the pressure inside it. The more the time, more time price spends over here at a particular level, it has spent so much of time. You can see from the opening bell 9:15 to 12:25, you can almost 2.5 to 3 hours. Nothing is happening. Flame is on, cooker has been kept on the stove. Nothing is happening. And nothing, direction you cannot make out. But what happens now? It comes the interesting part. Cooker whistle does not blow every second, right? It will not blow. It is going up, it will not blow. Only when pressure is completely accumulated, it starts blowing that. It blows at a particular moment. The specific point in time when the pressure has built enough. This is where Tesla time comes. So then I coded for Tesla time. See, you may think so energy flow as well as Tesla time is there. I'm zooming out. You may think there are so many lines and everything. See, let me take out the Nalini precision engine for a while and Tesla time. See, the time, these are the 36, 45, 72, 81, 108, 135, 162. These are the Tesla time. Time has passed. And if you see, I have coded for energy. The energy should build, it should move. If the whistle is blowing, energy is releasing, then energy should release from 3 to 6, 6 to 9 it goes. It goes to 3 to 6 and again stagnates. 3 is coming. Coming down, again 3 is coming, 3 to 3. Here, finally, you can see in this area, it again comes to 3 and energy momentum builds towards the downside. How to know this? Here, this is the very, very important part. 108 and 135 is the everyday time. This is the Tesla time where so many, usually many days, on an average, you can see a reversal or any price action, noticeable price action will take place from around this area. See here, when I see here, the Tesla time, it passed to 162, 162 to 189. Here in this machine coding, what happens, you know? I have coded for rolling pivot and also moving averages. Then all of a sudden crossover happens. Crossover happens, price in this narrow range of price. Here, the price starts going up. If I put the volume profile, you will not be making out, say, this volume complete, you will get only one node. You will not be knowing at what price. Of course, pressure is building. At what time and what price market is releasing the energy, you will not come to know. Here, with the Tesla time, you will come to know when exactly pressure is building. But when the whistle is going to blow, you can make out with the Tesla time and also energy flow. These are the energy flow 3, 6, 3 and 3 to 9 like that. And when price pops out, see, every time it has popped out, it has not gone here. See the difference in over here at this time, it pops out at that time, it has been built, everything, accumulation has been completed. Even the moving averages and rolling pivots are behaving normally and price is balancing above that. Here it was going sideways. You can see the moving averages going sideways, it pops out. This is the range filter. This is the range filter is crossing. Price is crossing above the range filter. That means this green color line is the range filter. And this GAN halo, this is the magenta color and the green color GAN halo shifts. Then energy starts blowing to the upside. Comfortably, you can take the trade. You can see when it starts moving, energy starts flowing. That is where energy was contained within the cooker. It was released over here with it is noticeable with all this Tesla time and coding energy flow. You will come to know to be in the trade or not. See, you can see how the price moves smoothly and finally the energy flow culminates at the 9. It is a warning for you. Warning for you, and you can see the time. Price is moving along the time. It is moving up the time. Here it starts stagnating. This is the completion of the cycle. See, these two time cycles and also price, it is like a price time square. You can call it as stagnates. When it does like that, the energy starts building down, and 315 after the completion of the cycle, that is 230, every day it comes down. See, not only here. See here, every day the presentation of the market is different. Market comes down, gaps down. It is a huge sell-off. It starts staying, stagnating. So again, the same cooker, pressure is building and price is rotating. We will not be knowing the direction of the market. See, whatever moving average, whatever you apply, you can see the timing. Can you see the timing over here? Same time, 162 to 189. The price starts moving. See the movement. Again, energy start blowing and it culminated 9, and this is the time slot 315. Completion of the cycle. You can see the price is not moving within this time cycle. It has not expanded at all. Here, the difference is there that price expanded along the time cycle and it stagnated at 297 and 315. Here, these three time cycles, Tesla time cycle, price has consolidated, indicating that price and the energy flow culminated in the 9, it started coming down. One day, every day, the market makers change the behavior, but with the Tesla time cycle, you can make out work. See here, the same thing. Market came down. Market came down and pressure cooker is building. Here, roller coaster ride. Price goes sideways. You can see, let me zoom it out. Price is previous day, it was completely gap down. While closing, they have pushed it here and it gaps up. Immediately, you think market is going to go up, it will be 30 points, 40 points up in the market. Even 100 points up in the market, you think market is going to go up. And then see, the immediately price start coming. See the cluster of 36, 45, 82, and this is the time slot. The market is building pressure to the downside. Let me apply the volume profile here. If I apply the volume profile, I'm not getting over here. Why it is showing, I don't know. It is going. That is the problem with the fixed range volume profile. You will not be knowing which side let me take out this. Which side the volume is building. See, it has been started from previous day. Then the volume is building at this level, but you don't know which side will be building. But with the help of this GAN halo and the Tesla timing, you can make out the pressure is building towards the downside. Range filter is crossing over to the downside. Let me take out the drawings, all the drawings, then everything will be clear. So here everything becomes clear and the price started moving down. This is the beauty of the Tesla timing and also Nalini Precision Engine. I'll apply Nalini Precision Engine. if I apply the Nalini Precision Engine, you will get the, let me reduce it to only, I'll take out R1 and S1, and I will retain only rolling pivot, and in the inputs, I will enable the layer 1. Layer 1 are the morning layers. Morning layers, let it work. The indicator is working. You can see morning layers plot the pivot R1, R2, S1, S2. And you can make out the price is trading below the pivot and below the S1 and S2, and the time slot Tesla is building to the downside. It is a confirm. See, rolling pivot is not at all turning green. If it is a reversal, time cycle, it is moving down. You can trade it better. Same thing. It came down. It could have continued. Energy was building because it was a huge down move. This is natural pullback. The market makers do not pull back on the same day. They will do it on the other day. You will get confused that market is going to go up. You can see where the time, where did the price come and stall. You can see if I go to this time cycle 135, that is the time. Let me put a box over here and let me extend that. Extend this box, extend right. Then let me reset. Let me go back. See how the price is reacting from that area, from that time slot. Energy was accumulated to the downside, and market makers pushed the price to that level to get higher price to sell only. They sold it. Now it was a selling. Next day you are seeing the price is coming. Same thing they are accumulating and they are pushing it here. And if you see again, I'll take out this. Take out the drawing. Let me take out the drawing, and if I zoom it and let us see this time is very, very important. Tesla time. I apply there. Did the price come there? Yeah, it almost came to that area. They did not reach there. They halted over here below this area. It is not relating to, this is 300 and completion of the cycle. That is the 315 time cycle. Price could not go there. It was a gap up. They tried to fill the gap little bit, and market closed at the top. Today, it may come down. They might not have finished their game. In this price action, both the sellers as well as buyers will be involved, and it is like a blindfolded game. See, you enter into it, you enter into a buy thing, you know that it is going up without knowing the game. Actually, the game is to the downside. You will not be knowing it will go up, and if you watch TV channels, they will tell the levels every day. They will come and tell the levels, and you think it is the resistance. Mindlessly will be trading with these things. That's what happens. That's what happens. As an intraday trader, you need to know where the pressure cooker is there, which side it is building. With the Tesla time machine, you can energy flow, you can know how the energy flows towards the upside or the downside. You can very clearly make out with my Nalini Precision Engine as well as Tesla time energy flow. These are beautiful indicators. I wanted to explain it to you people, how both combined together. You can compare with the time price opportunity. Time price opportunity is, let me apply this indicator, is available for only session time. I will put premium members. So you get this. You get this, but you will not be having any idea. See, you are getting a point of control. Point of control will not tell you which side the point of control. The point of control is whether it is building towards the upside or the downside. Time, you can compare everything. Tesla time, see, point of control building over here. If I go back, the point of control was here and price started coming down. In this price action, if I zoom it, in this price action, you cannot make out. See, it is going up. From the point of it is going up. In live market, nothing has been formed. You think it is a reversal and you will start trading in that direction. You will enter into the call option. You will get souped. Here, again, same thing. Every day, same thing, same behavior. You cannot make out the proper direction in the market. See, in the beautifully it consolidated and the direction was up. How can you think that this was cooking here? You cannot go back. This is the point of control. If I put see, it is directly related to the time slot. You can see how Tesla time slot is matching with the time price opportunity. That means they are accumulated to sell. The price has been accumulated in these time slots to sell. You get to know with the Tesla time machine as well as Nalini precision engine. I wanted to explain the concept how beautifully you can decode the system and you can trade the system very. See, I have studied time price opportunity, market price, market profile, volume profile, everything. The concepts will be there, but when you sit for trading practically, you will not be knowing. Only you will not be knowing which side it will know. See, with the Nalini precision engine, it becomes the pressure cooker is, see, these are the morning layers. The pressure cooker is on the flame. It's sitting on the stove. Here, if you go there, pressure cooker is sitting. Pressure cooker is sitting beneath the stove. There is no flame. You will get to know with the Nalini precision engine what is happening in the market. Here, even though it is sitting beneath the cooker, Tesla time told it is going to cook up and release the energy towards the upside. As an intraday trader, you can cash in this moment. That is what intraday trader needs. Intraday trader, which side of the market is going, and we are not bothered how they play, what side they are playing. You should not bother, but you should know which side this big money is playing, and we will go along with that. When they stop, exhaustion comes, energy flow stops. This code is like that. It indicates that it is coming, energy exhaustion is coming, and you get to be cautious and you book your profits. So it is timely exit. Timely exit you can go do. Timely entry you can do. Knowing the pressure building over here, and you will get to know which side the whistle is blowing and you are entering into the trade. Yes, friends. Thank you very much, Nanakshi Swami. Signing off.